Does everyone have their seatbelt on?
Makima, do something to climb. Power down right now, please.
Everyone excited for bowling?
Yeah!
I will win! Bravo!
It's gonna be so much fun.
Humans. I'm going to be the best.
Okay, let's all have an opinion here. Shut it.
Oh.
Aki, what do you think?
I hate it.
What? I thought you loved bowling.
But
You look so
Himeno's
good.
here.
Aki loves bowling. I've taken him bowling plenty of times. It's gonna be fine.
If you guys don't stop, there's not going to be gun later.
Wait, no gum?
No gun.
Fine. Oh my god.
We had some budget cuts from Team 3 dying, so looks like we get to have some fun.
Power, I actually forgot my wallet. Can you please pay? You have a credit card on you. You don't have a credit. How are we gonna go bowling? We don't have any credit card.
I literally didn't bring anything because you told me you were paying.
Hey, Aki, buddy, my man, my ese, my hombre, mi chupa la cabra. Can you give me some money, man? To buy the pot. Oh, thank you. Jesus.
Oh, thanks, Aki. You're so sweet.
No, I'll pay. I got this. I'll pay for you, Makima. Wait, Aki, I still need the money though. Makima, Himeno, Aki. Oh, hey, yo, Himeno.
Can someone help me tie the shoe?
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks, Aki.
No, I want to tie the shoe. I got it.
I need someone to tie my shoe too. Aki? Aki? Anyone?
I will gladly tie your shoe.
Subconsciously, he just shit his pants because he's so afraid that I'm gonna beat his ass.
Cool.
Hey Aki, look what I did. I got hearts for you.
Hey, Denji, if you get a strike, I'll step on you.
Miss Makima, this one's for you, baby. I'm a bowl for strike. I didn't even hit a pin.
If you get all 10 pins, yes.
Oh my god.
To show the humans that I'm superior by the power of me. Power! Grab him!
No way she hits a pin. No way she hits a pin. Nice throw. You're insane! Makima, we got a strike. We did it.
Good job, team. Denji, roll.
Did I do it?
Hey Aki, can you blow on this for me for luck? All right, let's go. Aki, you saw that, right?
All right, let's see what you can do, buddy.
Time to get serious.
Time to get
Go, Aki.
serious.
You're amazing.
No way. There's no way.
Well, never mind. Give me that tie back.
Oh, sorry.
I know I totally hit like 4 gutter balls in a row, but
did.
if I hit a strike on this next one, please tell me I can get at least one squeeze.
Absolutely not.
When I'm president, because I'm better than all of you,
Okay.
workers don't have to wash their hands.
What?
If you say anything bad about me, airstrikes.
What? But
All right, whoa.
you realize how
Wait,
much?
wait. And then the vice president is my cat.
Wait, why can't I be the vice
And
president?
then
Think about it.
I work alone.
But we can work together. You know what? We should try to bowl a ball together. Let's try that. That's a good idea.
Believe in the me that believes in you.
Sorry, I didn't think. I was trying to help you, Bob. I was trying to help you. Look, he's asleep. Look, he's asleep. Oh my God, what are you doing, Power? What are you doing? Okay. There's no way he doesn't notice. How is he not noticing?
With this, I'll win the Nobel Peace Prize!
Power, you're so... Oh shit, oh shit. Power, Power, run! Power, run! Run!
Hey Denji,
Yeah.
if I hit a strike, we can go on a date.
Oh, Miss Makima, please, please, I'm on my knees for you. Please hit a strike. I'll do anything. I believe in you. Please.
Damn, how's she always hitting strikes?
Well, you know, because I'm talented or something.
You know what happened to your arm?
It's fine, it's just a flesh wound.
What deal did you make? Hey Power, what would you do if I told you the floor was lava? No, actually lava.
That bathroom break was so... Oh, wait, Power! Oh, Jesus. Power, get off me. Power, you good? Aki, I'm sorry, man. Dude, she like jumped on me or something. I don't know what's going on. I have a public service announcement. This time, I will hit a pin. This one's for you, Miss Makima. I've done this enough. No. Oh, yeah! Let's go. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, yeah. Can I at least kiss your foot now?
No, you didn't get a strike.
I didn't? There's one pin left! Hey guys, thank you so much again for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, do me a favor, smash that like and subscribe button. Also, go follow my incredible friends that joined me for this video today. And I'll see you guys next time for some more Chainsaw Man shenanigans.
I can't see.
Bye, guys.
I can't see.
Hey Denji, if I hit the gutter,
Yeah?
we'll go on a date.
Okay, you just gotta aim. You just gotta aim to the left. No! 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 Why do you keep teasing me like this, Miss Makima?